I'm not really a breakfast person, but on this day, I was feeling very hungry when I woke up. I think it's because I ate quite early before I slept. I don't really know what to eat. I was craving for some hard-boiled egg and bread, so I decided to just make egg and bread sandwich. I started first by parboiling 3 eggs. I removed the yolk from the egg whites. I just separate them and I just try to slice this egg white into tiny strands like this, and later I dice it just the way you are seeing now for it to be in a very smaller shapes. I dice it very small and I use fork to mash down the egg yolks. After mashing down the egg yolks, I add a pinch of salt, a little bit of chili pepper, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I just mix everything together just the way you're seeing, and I later added the egg white to it. I mix everything for everything to incorporate very well, and now I just scoop from this plate and I spread it on bread and cover it with the second layer. Just these 2 slices will be okay for me for breakfast. I cut the sandwich into 2 parts like this sandwich was so good, it was so yummy, and at the same time it's very filling.